Discover the enchantment. The meaning of magic item. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're on a little adventure to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, magic item. Whether you're a fan of fantasy stories, enjoy playing video games, or are just curious about this enchanting term, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a magic item is but also how to use the phrase in your conversations. So, let's get started on this magical linguistic journey. A magic item is a term that comes straight out of a fantasy novel. It refers to any object that has been given magical powers. Imagine a wand that can turn things to gold, a ring that makes you invisible, or a cloak that shields you from danger. These are all examples of magic items. In stories, magic items serve a purpose that goes beyond their normal function. They are often key to the plot, and characters seek them for their special abilities. But it's not just in stories. The phrase can be used metaphorically to describe something very effective in real life, like a smartphone can be a magic item for communication. The concept of magic items dates back to ancient myths and legends, where they were often associated with gods and heroes. These items were crafted to be exceptional and to possess powers that normal items do not have. In English, we use the phrase to describe objects in games, movies, literature, and sometimes in everyday life to express the extraordinary qualities of an object. For instance, a teacher may call a calculator a magic item during a math lesson to capture the student's imagination and interest. Let's see how to use magic item in a sentence. In the latest fantasy novel I read, the protagonist was on a quest to find a magic item that would save their world. Many people consider their first cup of coffee in the morning to be a magic item because it seems to give them the energy to start their day. The game developer introduced a new magic item that could give players an extra life. Using this phrase can add an element of wonder to everyday objects or situations, illustrating the transformative power of language. Learning a new language is like discovering a treasure chest of magic items. Each new word or phrase you learn can unlock new levels of understanding and communication. Think of magic item as more than a vocabulary term. See it as an inspiration for the thrill of learning. When you learn a new language, you're equipping yourself with tools that can open up a world of opportunities, much like a character in a story uses a magic item to achieve their goals. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the phrase, magic item. Remember, learning English can be as exciting as uncovering the deepest secrets of a magic item in your favorite fantasy story. I hope this video helps you on your journey to becoming an English language wizard. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until our next magical adventure, happy learning!